Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining us. We are taking a quick look at Verasity here today on the daily time frame. Just a little bit of a daily update on what is going on. As we can see, Verasity is still heading down inside this descending wedge here. It's tried to actually break this level of resistance of the top of this wedge quite a few times over the past few weeks, hasn't it, with Bitcoin looking like maybe it might have started to break up above that 31, 32k level and continue to the upside. But in reality, it just looks like we are essentially still heading down inside this wedge. You can see here 1, 2, 3 times that we did get rejected in these areas here. I did put a few small long positions in at this level here, which was the 0.23 Fibonacci at 0.5%, or that 0.005 level if you're using those tiny little divisions of Verasity. And as we can see, once we came back up and got rejected again here, we clearly came down, broke down below support, back tested and continued. This would have been a very, very simple trade to take, but I didn't actually take this just in case there was a big reversal in the wider market. But this breakdown, back test, continuation trade would have been probably a very easy trade to take. One that I probably should have taken in reality. Is very, very simple there. You can see the support being broken and then tested as resistance before the continuation. And we could see, obviously, still with this bearish trend that we are in this descending wedge, in reality, this probably would have been a pretty easy trade to take. And now we are just heading down towards these next levels of support. As I said in a previous video, I have got a long position ready in this area down here at the base of the wedge, because I do think we're probably going to come down towards this area here. I'd get a test, in my opinion. Still stuck inside of this wedge and continuing to the downside, and as far as I'm concerned, we will be stuck in this wedge until such a time as we do see Bitcoin having a really, really nice move to the upside. A quick look at Bitcoin right now will confirm that we are currently we've clearly come down and headed down to that 29k level here. We're then finally getting a nice break below this area here. And I do think, you know, realistically, this is a very, very nice area where we could see ourselves coming back down, getting a back test maybe at this 28.4k level, which is obviously this previous area of support here, and a resistance here. You can see a bit of chop in and around this area, but getting the clean pass above it here, and then the back test of this area here, along with the 0.38 Fibonacci as well, at that 27.5k level would be absolutely amazing to see. But right now we are just chilling for Verasity, waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. Obviously, I do think we're probably going to see ourselves having a bit more downside with Bitcoin breaking down from that consolidation it's been in for a while. A bit more bearish sentiment in the altcoin market, but overall still super bullish on Verasity for the long term. Think it's going to be absolutely incredible. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, get involved in the content, and I'll catch you in the next video.